Didn't see him. Philip Dubé is with us. He's anything but sloppy. The defense seems to be using her to try to go with this original theory that because when Toby came out of the house, he claimed there were 3 of them. She's dead. There were 3 of them. This theory that someone else did this. This was a bad neighborhood. And they questioned her about the safety of the neighborhood, the drug action in the house before they had moved in, just weeks before. Is that, at this point, I get that that was the plan going into trial, but now you have a different set of circumstances. You have a defendant who's emotional at the defense table, broke down, and in the openings, the state was able to use his interaction with his daughter saying, I'm sorry, I did this, and he is, it's just a different ballgame. I don't know that this is the right way to go at it, that original plan. Should they be switching gears and go for what you talked about earlier, you know, get your eye on the manslaughter ball?
Yeah, he derailed the third-party culprit option for himself through his own mouth. This is what happens, and it's not uncommon when clients engage in fits of pique and outbursts in open court. They sabotage their own defense. So now you got to opt for door number 2, which in this particular case, fortunately, could form the basis of a voluntary manslaughter. And there's 2 ways to get there in Ohio. One of which is if you can show a heat of passion type killing, that some type of provocation set him off. And as I said earlier, when you have 50 stab wounds, that's an act of rage. Something really set him off, caused him to basically go bonkers. Another way to get there, and what this witness alluded to, is through voluntary intoxication. Under Ohio law, it's generally not a defense to anything unless the crime is a specific intent crime, which is murder. In the state of Ohio, it can be used, voluntary intoxication can be used to show that he actually was prevented from forming the intent to kill. Sometimes we call it diminished actuality, meaning he actually did not form the intent to kill because of the intoxication. And I think Ma Barker's laid that up nicely for him. So we'll see where they can go with that. Hopefully it'll work out.